Everyone is suffering from AI fatigue. So I thought to myself, this is the right time to jailbreak a calculator. You never know, We need to go back to the basic, get some games inside there and see how it goes and see what else we can be able to do. Because Windows has decided that you need to give your mother's birth certificate in order to log in. So we're going to try to dive deep into it, jailbreak it a little bit, get some games inside there. But I suck at this, it's quite difficult to play with the calculator. And then, with time we'll see whether we can be able to install AI.
I had no idea I was chatting with the brilliant mind behind your system. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to DSK2 Design.
So as I said, this is going to be as less painful as possible. So the first thing you need to do is get the TI Connect. I will add a link on the description. And what happens with the TI software, it allows communication. It's a bridge between your computer and your calculator. So once you've gotten that, you can be able to install it, get it to your applications, and then now you come to it, and this is what we have. So right here, I have the connected calculators. So you can be able to do a capture screen, or you can be able to go to the files that are in the calculator and add a file or delete a file. We move on to the next step. The next step, you're going to come and you look for how to jailbreak a TI-84 plus CE or whatever version that you're using. If you're running like a 5.8, then definitely you need to jailbreak it in the two files. The two files, you just click on them, you download them. And then once you download them, come back here, look for your connect. And once you find your connect, come to your wherever your files are. So I have my files here. I will just take them and then put them in here. Because I already have mine, I don't need to put them again. I can come here also and say, what else do I want? And then I can choose whatever game I want that's here. And then once I've chosen it, it's done. And then you can also go to TI Game Boy. So you can go to TI, this one, and also you can be able to download it, and they have so many other features that can help you rip Game Boy games into your calculator. Or if you're doing your homework or whatever you're doing and you need a break, you can come here and choose chess and play a bit of chess and see how it goes. Basically, that's it. Let's drag chess there, of course. And then I want to see whether it will come into the system. Now we have the calculator. I want to show you how it works. So you will come to application, but you have the CalBridge and you have the CalcPlex. So you will select, I prefer to go for the CalcPlex, and then you press enter. And now you can be able to see the games that have been installed. You have chess, you have the Donkey Kong and Pac-Man and Tetris and all. So you can select maybe chess and then you press enter and then load the game, and there you have the chess board. So you can start playing. If you're not happy with that, you can just press clear, and then once you press clear, you can come here and then you press enter. Wait, my Donkey Kong, I don't know what happened. It was working before. Let's see whether we can do Minecraft. Pac-Man, and there we have Pac-Man. And then so now you have Pac-Man. Press enter, and you can start to play. To control it, you use the side buttons and up and down like any other game. For the games like Tetris that you need to flip, geometry dash, so the same, you press enter and then you can be able to play your game. This you use, I think, the second, but I suck at this. It's quite difficult to play with a calculator. So for a calculator to be able to do all this, it's quite astonishing. And also you can have Mario, Luigi. But there, what's happening with the Luigi guy in this case? That when you press 2, and you can go, yeah boy. Go. Go. Nice. No. But with time, I'll be able to understand what's going on. For example, the chess is working. I had Donkey Kong working before, and then I don't know what happened. So with the chess, you can be able to play and make your moves and do whatever you want to do. And then if you don't want that, you can go clear and then go back again to the main, the calplex, the one that I showed you. You can go back to that, and then you can choose your next game where you can say I want to play Mario or Pac-Man or Tetris, and then you press enter, and then the game loads up. That's a fun thing about it. And it's good that I have a couple of games. I'll check out the other ones, look at how the files should be installed and everything, and then I'll give you guys updates. If I feel like I'm in the mood, then I can put the Raspberry Pi, and now that once you go that direction, you can basically put everything. You have a screen, you have a Raspberry Pi, then you can be able to put things like Minecraft, and you can be able to modify even more and put OpenAI and all this other stuff. The Minecraft that they say you can install in this and play, not 100% sure. So a lot of people are saying they can be able to do certain things, but it's not true. You can rip from the Game Boys and put them in, but not everything is possible as people make it. So sometimes also it's not only AI. Also with people, you have to verify. They have to show you proof that how they did it for you to say, okay, it's possible. But if you just watch a shot where someone is saying, I installed Minecraft, a lot of them are doing a screenshot and then they put a Minecraft thing and say, that's it. They won't give you an explanation. You will go on their channel and you try to look for more detail, you cannot find it. So for me, I will just add all the details of the links to where to install, what type of games you can get, and then it's up to you to go and do a further deep dive and check out what else. See you guys on the flip side. Peace.